If you are still struggling with your trading journey and you don't know what to do, this is the right video for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 secrets of trendline trading strategy that I've been using for many years now. These 4 secrets of trendline trading strategy has improved my trading profitability 100%. And if you're also interested in my free signal on Telegram, where I give out profitable signals every week, click the link below this video description, and don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button, and I will see you after the intro. The number 1 secret of trendline trading strategy that you have to observe in the market whenever you want to use this strategy is the trend. You have to understand the direction of the market, whether bearish trend or bullish trend. If you look at the price action on USDJPY right now, from this support, the price action started a new trend that broke out from this short-term down trend line, whereby the price formed high, lower low, lower high, lower low, then price now from a new higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Next step that you have to observe is to establish a valid trend line by connecting 2 points together. From this point A to this point B, from here to this place, that is our points A and B. After establishing a valid trend line, then you have to extend it to the future price action, so that when the price action is coming back to test the trend line the 3rd time, you'll be able to position yourself as a buyer in the market to buy to the upper side on the trend line 3rd touch. Looking at the establishment of this valid trend line, we have 1st touch here, we have 2nd touch here. And the rule says that you have to execute your trendline trading strategy on the 3rd touch or on the 4th touch. Now, price retested here, and price bought, price came back again and retested the trendline again. When the price action is coming back to retest the trendline 3rd time, then you have to observe the 3rd secret of this trendline trading strategy, which is key level zone. If you are taking buy opportunity, you have to establish a support. If you are taking sell opportunity, then you have to make use of what? Resistance. Price action reacted here, price reacted here, price reacted here again, which makes it a valid key level zone for us to take this buy opportunity. After establishing this 3rd secret of trendline trading strategy, the next thing you have to do is to scale down to 30-minute time frame for execution. And this entry modus on 30-minute time frame is the 4th secret of this trendline trading strategy. If you look at the price action on the 30-minute time frame, when the price sold down to touch the trendline 3rd time, what happened? The price action left behind this weak rejection on the trend line. Looking at the candlestick anatomy, the price action sold down to touch the trend line with heavy bearish candlestick, right? High momentum of sellers in the market. The next candle that formed on the 30-minute time frame was hammer, and this hammer, the price action left a sharp or long weak rejection at the bottom. And whenever you spot hammer at point of interest where you want to take buy opportunity, it's a sign that the buyers are already warming up to take charge of the market so that they can take the price action to the upper side. If you look at the next formation of the candlesticks that form after this hammer here, is a very strong bullish candlestick, and the formation of this 3 pattern candlestick here is morning star. After the formation of this morning star, the 3rd touch of trend line on our 30-minute entry time frame, then you make use of your long position tool, place your stop loss below the wick, then you target ratio 1 to 2 is to reward. Let me show you a bearish example of this trendline trading strategy on Euro CAD. If you look at what the price action is doing right now, the price action started a journey from this resistance here. The price sold down massively to form this impulsive leg around this zone. From this high, price formed a low major swing and another major lower high. Then price now form another major lower low swing points. After establishing the trend, which is the 4th secret of this trend line trading strategy, the next thing is to establish a valid trend line. And when you are establishing your trend line, the trend line is only valid when the price action reacts on the trend line minimum of 2 times. You must have a minimum of 2 touches on the trend line before you can say it's a valid trend line. Then the next thing is to establish our trend line by connecting these 2 points together. We have a valid downtrend from this point A to this point B. The next thing is to extend the trend line to the downside. When the price action is coming back, the third time to mitigate the trend line, that is when you position yourself as a seller in the market to take a sell opportunity to the downside. The third secret is to establish key level when the price action is coming back to mitigate the trend line third time. And where is our possible key level around this zone? We have a possible key level around this zone because the price action reacted around this zone here. Price reacted here, then price reacted around this resistance multiple times. That is the reason why we are using this zone as our resistance zone to take this sell opportunity on the third touch of this trend line. The fourth secret of this trend line trading strategy is to scale down to the entry time frame, which is 30 minutes for execution. And when the price action was approaching this resistance, now the volume reduction occurred, whereby we're having weak reduction, weak reduction, weak reduction, weak reduction, and low momentum of candles inside this resistance. That is a sign that the buyers that push this price action inside this resistance, they are already losing momentum to push the price action to the upper side. So the next thing is to recognize the presence of sellers by watching out for the candlestick that represent sellers in the market. And if you look at the formation of this candlestick around this zone here, we have these 2 formation of candlestick. We use the what? Tweezer top. And whenever you spot tweezer top at resistance level, it's a sign that sellers, they are fully involved or fully present in the market. And look at the next candlestick that mitigated the trend line third time is a long inverted hammer. After this presence of shooting star, then we have tweezer top around this zone and execute immediately because this candlestick represents the presence of sellers in the market. You place your stop loss above here, then you target ratio 1 to 2 as a day trader. Another bearish example on DPDU is the price action started a major swing downtrend around this zone here from this high to this major swing low, major swing lower high, major swing lower low, major swing lower high, then major swing lower low, then price form major swing lower high, then price sold down massively. After establishing the fourth secret, which is the trend, then the next thing is to establish a valid trend line by connecting your trend line from one point to another. Once you establish this valid trend line by connecting these 2 points together, then the next thing is to extend the trend line to the future. The next step is to establish key level when the price action is coming back to mitigate the trend line on the third touch. So where is the possible valid resistance around this zone here? We have one around here. Why? Because the price action reacted around this zone here, then price broke it, we tested this as resistance here, then the price sold down, price retested this key level again, then price sold down again, and also went up to test this key level and also the trend line third touch. On our entry time frame, which is 30 minutes, there are key factors you have to pay attention to. What are the confluences do we have at our point of interest where we want to take sell opportunity? Number one, we have our resistance, then we have our trend line. So the next thing is to exercise patience and recognize the candlestick pattern that represent the presence of sellers at our point of interest. If you look at the candlestick formation at our point of interest, when the buyers bought the price action with this healthy bullish candlestick, then the next candlestick that formed was low momentum of bullish candlestick, right? with this long wick rejection at the top. And the formation of this candlestick here is shooting star. Whenever you spot this long wick rejection or shooting star at your point of interest, it's a sign that the sellers are warming up to take charge of the market. And we have another formation of dodgy candlestick here with long wick rejection at the top, another formation of indecision candlestick pattern with wick rejection at the top. You can see multiple wick rejections at our point of interest. We have first rejection here, second rejection here, third wick rejection around this zone here, and then we also have another fourth wick rejection. If you look at the momentum of the candlestick around this zone here, they are very low. They are on healthy candlestick patterns. So this healthy bearish candlestick represents full presence of sellers in the market. So when you spot this bearish engulfing, then the next thing is to execute your trade. Then put a stop loss above here. As a day trader, there is target ratio 1 to 2 depending on the setup or the market trend you are trading as at that time. If you are blessed in one way or the other through this video, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button, and I will see you next time.